Brahmacharya kamastu jajita brahmanapati. Indra kamas, Indra being senses. Those who are too much lusty, satisfied, simply. The most important indriya is the genital, sex. So for them it is recommended that you worship Indra. Indra, the demigod, is number one sexually inclined demigod. He has got eyes for all his body. Satachok. These eyes were originally vagina. He was cursed by Gautama Muni that you are so fond of vagina. I curse you that you get all over your body vagina. Then when he surrendered, he began to cry that it will be very much abominable for me. Then he offered that this vagina may be turned into eyes. Therefore, his body is full of eyes. So those who are too much nasty, lover of the vagina, they may worship Indra. This is the Vedanta. Everything is there. If you want vagina instead of Krishna, all right, do it. You have it. So, unfortunately, if our student falls a victim of vagina instead of Krishna, that is very regrettable. Then better he worships instead of Krishna, let him worship Indra. That is the mark of the lecture.